Right now, we're hosting the industry's very first all-female tile installer test.
All right, let's start. 7:09.
We have 12 women here from 12 different states, from as far away as Alaska. There was a 62-year-old woman taking her CTI test today. There was another woman taking her test for the second time. She's 50 years old. They are stepping up. These women have had a year. They formed a sisterhood.
I look at these girls learning from each other, leaning on each other, cheering each other on.
It's my hopes that this CTI test actually attracts more women into the industry.
There's nothing that any of these women can't achieve.
It really sets yourself apart when you can go out, sell yourself and your estimate and say, I'm different because I had my skills certified by the CTEF.
You're going to grow as a person and as an installer.
Being able to think on your feet, attention to detail, and following industry standards make a great installer.
I'm so proud of them. And I think we found the best group of women. These women are amazing, and they are so excited and they're pumped. Women can do this.